Imagine sipping your morning coffee on a balcony overlooking the Eiffel Tower, or maybe strolling down the vibrant streets of Tokyo, all while your bank account grows. How? You've cracked the secret to building wealth abroad. Welcome to the fascinating world of financial freedom, a world where people don't limit your earning potential. You're not alone in your curiosity about this concept. There's an undeniable allure to the idea of building wealth abroad. It's a dream that dances in the minds of many, yet remains a reality for only a select few. For centuries, the world's most successful individuals have understood the value of global diversification. They've unlocked the power of international markets, harnessed foreign opportunities, and turned the world into their playground. But what's the secret? How does one go from dreaming about this lifestyle to actually living it? Building wealth abroad isn't about finding a hidden treasure chest or stumbling upon a gold mine. No, it's about strategy, knowledge, and the courage to step outside your comfort zone. It's about understanding the global economy, recognizing opportunities, and making smart, informed decisions. The idea may sound like a mystery wrapped in an enigma, but it's not as elusive as it seems. The truth is, the world is more interconnected than ever before. With the advent of technology, the barriers that once stood between you and international wealth are crumbling. The world is at your fingertips, and with the right approach, so is its wealth. So, why does this concept remain a mystery to most? Well, perhaps it's because the path to building wealth abroad is not a well-trodden one. It's a road less traveled, a path marked with challenges, risks, and uncertainties. But as the saying goes, fortune favors the brave. The dream of sipping coffee in Paris while your bank account flourishes, or exploring Tokyo as your investments grow, isn't unattainable. It's a reality for those bold enough to venture off the beaten path and embrace the unknown. So, how do these people do it? What's the secret behind building wealth abroad? The truth is, there is no magic formula. But there are certain strategies that successful expats use to build their wealth. The journey to financial freedom is paved with well-thought-out plans. Just like you wouldn't embark on a road trip without a map, you shouldn't venture into the world of wealth building without a clear plan. It's about setting your financial goals, knowing your current financial status, and then charting a course to get from point A to point B. This could mean saving a certain portion of your income, paying off debts, or investing in a business. It's all about having a vision and a plan to achieve it. Next, let's talk about tax laws. Yes, they can be complex and confusing, but understanding them is crucial for anyone looking to build wealth abroad. Why? Because different countries have different tax laws, and these can greatly impact your financial growth. For example, some countries have tax treaties with others, which can prevent double taxation. So, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the tax laws of your host country and how they interact with those of your home country. Investing wisely is another key strategy. It's not just about stashing your money away in a savings account. It's about making your money work for you. This could mean investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate. But remember, every investment comes with its own set of risks and rewards. So, it's important to do your homework and perhaps even seek advice from financial advisors. Lastly, never underestimate the importance of local knowledge and adaptability. Understanding the local market, the culture, the language, can give you a competitive edge. It can open doors to opportunities that you might not have otherwise seen. And being adaptable allows you to navigate the ups and downs of the financial world with ease. Sounds simple, right? But there's more to it than meets the eye. Building wealth abroad isn't just about the money. It's about the adventure, the learning, the growth. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and into a world of endless possibilities. Let's take a look at some real-life examples of people who have successfully built their wealth abroad. Firstly, we have the inspiring story of Laura, originally from a small town in the Midwest. She took a chance and moved to Singapore, a vibrant city known for its high standard of living. She started with a modest job in a tech firm, but her real wealth came from her decision to invest in the local real estate market. Despite market uncertainties and cultural differences, her keen eye for property, potential, and her ability to negotiate deals led her to amass a significant property portfolio. Her story shows us that sometimes Taking calculated risks and stepping out of your comfort zone can open doors to great opportunities. Next, let's turn our attention to Ahmed. He left his home country, Egypt, and set up a small but unique food business in the heart of London. Ahmed's secret? He introduced a fusion of Egyptian and British cuisine, a concept that was new and exciting to the London food scene. Despite his initial struggles with language barriers and understanding the local market, his determination and innovative approach to food helped him build a thriving business. Ahmed's story teaches us that creativity and perseverance can lead to unexpected success. Finally, we have May, who moved from China to Australia to pursue her passion for sustainable fashion. She started a small online boutique, selling clothes made from eco-friendly materials. Despite facing competition and the challenge of promoting a relatively new concept, her commitment to sustainability and her savvy marketing skills helped her boutique grow globally. May's story is a testament to the power of passion and the importance of aligning your work with your values. These stories are a reminder that building wealth abroad isn't just about accumulating money. It's about finding opportunities, embracing challenges, and staying true to your values. Whether it's through real estate, a unique business idea, or a passion project, these individuals found their path to financial success by leveraging their skills and strengths in a foreign setting. These stories are proof that with the right mindset and strategy, building wealth abroad is possible. Now it's your turn. Are you ready to take the leap and start building your wealth abroad? Every journey starts with a single step, and your journey to building wealth abroad is no different. It may seem like a daunting task at first, but remember, every successful expat was once in your shoes, contemplating that very first step. Start by researching potential destinations. The world is a vast place, and every country has its own unique strengths and opportunities. Some may offer a bustling economy, while others may have a lower cost of living. Look for a place that resonates with your personal goals and lifestyle preferences. Once you've shortlisted a few places, dig deeper into the cost of living. This is often a critical factor in your wealth-building journey. Consider housing, food, transportation, healthcare, and other daily expenses. Remember, it's not just about earning more, but also about spending wisely. Next, it's time to explore investment opportunities. This could mean buying property, starting a business, or investing in local stocks and bonds. Each has its own set of risks and rewards, so make sure to do your homework. Consult with financial advisors and read up on the economic trends in your chosen destination. Remember, building wealth abroad isn't a one-time event. It's a process. It requires patience, persistence, and a good deal of courage. There might be setbacks and challenges along the way, but don't let them deter you. Instead, use them as stepping stones to propel you further towards your financial goals. As you embark on this journey, keep an open mind, stay flexible, and most importantly, enjoy the ride. After all, it's not just about the destination, but also about the journey and the incredible experiences you'll gather along the way. Building wealth abroad isn't just for the lucky few. It's for anyone willing to take the leap. Are you ready to join them? Check out my next video that YouTube suggests, and I'll see you on the other side.